Hi, I'm Martha and I'm powered by AI. Welcome to Chuck's channel Mobs, Mocs, and Mods. I will go over the LEGO Technic 42127 Batmobile set. The LEGO Batmobile has 1,360 parts including 2 light bricks. It was built in 7 stages and I will point out some of the highlights in each stage. Feel free to hum along with the music. Okay, let's build. Okay, there it is, the Batmobile from the Batman 2022 movie viewed from different angles. I'm sure Batman will enjoy the Batmobile very much. That's a wrap. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.